In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share components across projects with shared libraries in Webflow. Start by opening the Webflow website. From your dashboard, hover over your source project, then click Open in Webflow. Give the designer a moment to load fully so the canvas is ready before you continue. Once the site is open, press L on your keyboard to open the Libraries panel in the left toolbar. You can also click the Libraries icon, which looks like an open book. Inside this panel, find Site Resources and expand it if it is collapsed. Under Components, you should see the button component you created earlier. Now click Share with Workspace, which appears below the Component section. A sharing dialog will open and show what will be included in the library, including components, variables, and assets. You may also see asset settings. For this tutorial, leave the default settings as they are. Click Share Library to confirm. After that, Webflow will show a confirmation that the library has been shared to the workspace, and the panel will display Installed on 0 sites. Next, switch over to the site that will use this share component. Click the Webflow logo in the top left corner of the designer to go back to the dashboard. From there, click the second site tile to open it in the designer. Wait for the empty canvas to finish loading. With the subscriber site open, press L again to open the Libraries panel. Find the Available to Install section and expand it. You should now see the library listed using the name of your source site. Hover over that library entry, and on the right side of the row, the Install Library icon will appear. Click Install Library, then wait a few seconds while Webflow finishes the installation. When it is done, the library moves into the Installed Libraries list, which means its shared content is now available in this site. Now it is time to place the shared component on the canvas. Open the Components panel by clicking the cube icon in the left toolbar, or press A and switch to the Components tab. Scroll down past your site's own components until you reach the Library section. Drag the shared component onto the blank canvas. With that component instance selected, look over to the right panel. You will see that the styles are coming from the library, and the main component is marked as Read Only here. That is expected because edits to the shared component are made in the source site, not in the subscriber site. At this point, the shared library is installed, and the component is live on the second project. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You should now see the source site listed under Installed Libraries, and the shared component should appear below your own site components in the Components panel.